Ooh, here we go. Here we go. Oh my God, dude. Oh, he saw the net. He saw the net. That's a big one right there. That's a big one. Get him in there. Get him in. Oh, get him in there. Yes. Yes. Look at that. Look at that. Woohoo. Oh, hell yeah. Oh my God, look at this. Got it on film. You can get a weight on it. How'd you get?
Hold the power button for like 5 seconds.
Ooh.
God damn it.
Get over there. Okay.
Take off 2.5 pounds as much as net weighs. You're gonna have to move it this way.
How'd you get the fucking thing to come open?
You press forward.
Oh, press forward. Okay.
Okay, lift it up.
So it's going to be 13 pounds. It's 1565 right now.
Take off 2. Yes, that's fucking awesome. Let's see.
13 pound. What is that? What would you say that is? A spotted?